cute little thing.
Aciarirwo na murimu wa mukingo no ndaigana kumenya kinyagia riria akinyire kirathi gia form 2 igiri-ini riake ria kuheana thakame.
Results were out and the strip read double line. And she asked me, "Are you able to interpret the results?" I'm like, "Yeah, I am." And you told me you don't have a boyfriend. Why are your results positive? So I just looked at her and I was so confused.
Giki kiahanaga ta kiroto kuona gutire mundu no mwe wa family yao wamwirite uhoro wigie gukorwo ari na murimu uyu.
Felt betrayed because I'm here, I'm in form 2. No one has ever talked to me about HIV in my family. I'm the last born. No one has ever mentioned anything to do with HIV. Not a word. I don't take any drugs. I know nothing about it.
Hau na hau maundu makiambiriria gucenjia ona arata makimwamuka. Mundu tari ngumo ona hanini thukuru-ini akiambiriria kuorotagwo na kuonaniririo.
My best friend told me, I can't give you my blanket. She took away the blanket. People would just come take away their bucket that I was using. I was so stressed up.
Pheni ni agereire ihinda iritu ria kwiitikira ona hindi imwe agetarira matuko we mwene undu ria wacungiriirie ona gucoka thi kimathomo.
Thought of someone being HIV positive equals to a death sentence in this society, equals to a death certificate and all that. And it was for me as well.
Thutha wa guthoma na thina muingi na akirikia thukuru akiingira muturire-ini ungi na ota airitu aria angi ndagaga anake akumuha.
I swore to myself that I would never infect anyone. So any guy who would hit on me, I would tell them I'm HIV positive. Some from the word go, like sikukuwa nataka ujiaribia wakati.
Muthia akigira na muthuri na ciana igiri ona gutuika kiroto giake gia kugia na mucii wa gutura gitigana gukinyanira thutha wa muthuri wake kuma nja ya kihiko.
I felt really bad because I understood HIV in depth and I knew very well once someone starts cheating, maybe they would get infected. Maybe he cheats on me and then that other chick is infected and never takes the drugs, not like I do. Then they would infect him. Then he comes and reinfects me.
Thutha wa kuohanda guoya wake munene wari ati hihi mwana uria akuite ahota kunyitwo ni murimu uyu.
I gave her the syrup, nevirapine and Septrin, and she was so okay. After 18 months, Faraja was negative and I was so happy.
Pheni ni aratariria ati unyitaniri wa family yake kumutirira ni undu umwe umuhotithitie kurugama ringi.
They've helped me understand that HIV is just not even like any other disease. It's not even anything, you know.
Muturire wa Pheni wacenjirie muthenya uria atuire matua kwiitikira na akiumira kwira andu uria muturire wake ohana undu uria umuhotithitie gukinyukia makinya ma bata muturire-ini. Gukwa ngoro kwimena na kuigwa hindi imwe ta muturire ukinyite muthia no mamwe ma maundu maria Pheni acamanitie namo kuma riria amenyire ati ari na murimu wa mukingo no macio mothe matigiritie hinge iroto ciake cia muturire umuthi uyu akihota gutara aingi a aria mahotaga kumuhingukira ngoro mari na ndwari teno iria koretwo nayo. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma Nairobi, njitagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.